Hey guys, how are you all? My name is Ruchi. Today I'm gonna share a healthy cabbage sandwich recipe. So let's get started. Ingredient list I've already shared on the screen. To prepare this sandwich we have taken cabbage and capsicum. Now transfer both the things in blender jar. Why are we using blender? Because cutting with knife is such a pain and will not be able to get the right texture that we are looking for. We will grind them coarsely. Grind them in 1 second interval. See the texture of this cabbage and green pepper. That's how we want these vegetables to be. Transfer these in different bowl where we can mix with our other ingredients. Let's start preparing the filling of the sandwiches. Here I have regular mayonnaise and garlic mayonnaise. Either one you can use. Transfer black pepper and salt in the vegetable mixture along with the mayonnaise and mix them well. All the ingredients should be well combined. In case if you feel that you need to add more mayonnaise, you can add. Basically, we want this filling to be smooth in texture. Here I have taken 4 slices of breads. We will start cutting their edges. With this filling, we will be preparing 5 sandwiches. So in total, we need 10 slices of breads. Friends, if you feel like you want to add any other vegetable in this sandwich filling, you can add. These bread slices are ready now. We have removed all the corners. Save these edges for now. I'm gonna share a wonderful tip with you guys. Now we will start filling these breads to prepare these sandwiches. You can add a slice of cheese as well. We will cover with another slice and press it gently. By doing this, the filling will stay in its place. Cut this sandwich from the center. These bread slices are not very big in size, so if you have bigger size bread, you might need more filling. Guys, you can see our first sandwich is ready. Now same way we will prepare other sandwiches. All the sandwiches are prepared now. We can keep them fresh in a casserole box. Guys, see, these sandwiches looking beautiful and they taste amazing. Trust me guys, my kids love these sandwiches. I'm sure you and your kids will love it too. How is it, Vedant? You like it? Great.
Good.
So my kids definitely enjoyed their sandwich. Now move to the tip. We are gonna take all the edges and these corner breads. Put in the blender jar and make a fine powder. Within some seconds, it will look like this. Now we will take a pan. In that we will transfer all the bread powder. On a medium-high flame, we will start roasting this bread powder. Guys, any suggestion or feedback, please share in the comment box. Our breadcrumbs are ready. Yes, breadcrumbs. No more purchasing of breadcrumbs from outside. We can prepare at our home. I prepare lots of sandwiches. So with the edges of bread, I get best use out of it. These are the best breadcrumbs. Store these breadcrumbs in airtight container for 5 to 6 weeks. You can prepare your nuggets, cutlet and much more. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching me. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.